Embargo's lifted, but don't expect a full review from us. We only had a few days with it, but we had enough time to talk about a few things. So today we're talking about setting everything up. So there are a few new features, nothing crazy, but just a few things that you can do to help kind of customize your Pixel 4 from within the phone without having to go to third-party apps and different things. If you've seen our hands-on, then you know the Pokemon that you can wave and all that, it's not there preloaded. So what you'll have to do is go to the App Store and download Pokemon Wave Hello. That's the name of it. Just something to kind of get used to using the motion, then delete it. That's how you get it. Speaking of Pokemon, Google also has motion sense supported Pokemon wallpaper where you can apply it. It's a live wallpaper. You can, move your hand in to pet the Pokemon. You can wave your hand across it to wave to it. It'll wave back. You can tap the Pokemon and switch it out. If it's idle, it'll fall asleep. Next up, we have the style section. So either go settings and homepage, or you long press homepage, and at the bottom see styles and wallpapers. You hit style, and then now you can change the icons, font. If you want to put like a box around the icons, if you want to keep it plain, rounded, custom font, custom icon. Next up, we have face unlock options. Now the face unlock on here is really good. It's really fast. We have a whole other video dedicated to that and all the other new software features, so we'll make sure to drop a card and link that below. For some people, it might be too fast. They might want to just unlock it to go to the lock screen. By default, it bypasses it. So if you're one of the select few, it might be out there. I'm just putting it out there in case you are. You just go to settings, go to security, face unlock, put in the PIN, and then tap the notch that says skip lock screen. So if you want that option, you can do it there. If you have to have the option for app sign-ins and payments and unlocking your phone. You can just have your face unlock for different things, but usually all that's there. Or you can have it require confirmation every time you do it, which is a little redundant, but these are your options. And next up, we have the gestures. With Android Pie, they introduced a form of gestures, which is their take of what an iPhone is doing. If you like it or use it, that's entirely up to you and your preferences. But keep in mind, it comes out the box with full gestures. So you'll have to go into settings to change it. So for gestures, you pretty much swipe up to go home, kind of like you would do on an iPhone. If you want to go to recently opened apps, it's kind of like a half swipe until they pop up, and then you can go to them. If you're in an app and you want to go back, you swipe from right to left on the right-hand side. It sounds weird to describe, but when you're seeing it, it's a lot better. So you swipe left to right from the left side of the screen. And then also to kind of switch between apps quickly, pretty much swipe from all the way at the bottom and just go from app to app. That's kind of a quick way to kind of peruse through apps. To take a screenshot, you can still take it the normal way, but kind of another way that's kind of hidden. Long press the home button and then tap the screenshot button. Now there's many ways to get to Google Assistant. So you can just say the catchphrase, I'll insert it here because I don't want everybody's phone to go off. Or you can do the active edge squeeze, that's still there. Or you can just swipe up from the corner and then it'll access it. And last but not least, we have the live captions feature. So it's kind of a system-wide closed caption. It comes up for everything except for like phone calls. This is definitely out there for those of you who are deaf or hard of hearing, or know somebody who's deaf and hard of hearing. So you go to accessibility and settings, and you scroll all the way down and it says live caption. Then you can tap the toggle and turn it on, hide profanity, do all that stuff. Currently it's only available in English, but more languages will be coming soon. Or you could just go into the volume rocker and then you'll see a box. You'll see a box and then you hit it and then you're good to go. So again, nothing crazy, but that's just kind of how we set ours up. And this is a few tips to how to help you get started. For those who pre-order, those who are interested in getting it sometime between now and Christmas or something like that. Stay tuned for more Pixel 4 coverage as well as a review. Thanks for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. Appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.